Looking for a smartwatch that combines performance, sleek design, and advanced health tracking? The Apple Watch Series 11 delivers faster performance, smarter wellness features, and seamless iPhone connectivity, keeping you active, informed, and connected all day. In this video, we'll explore its key features and see how it performs in real life. Let's get into it. What's in the box? In the box, you'll find the Apple Watch Series 11. Watch strap of your choice. Magnetic fast charger to USB-C cable. And quick start guide. Want to grab the Apple Watch Series 11 for Amazon? Just tap on the link in the description below. Key features. The more insights you have, the more empowered you are to take action. From the ECG app to the Vitals app and more, Apple Watch Series 11 provides a bigger picture of your health. And now, Series 11 takes the next big step in heart health with a pioneering feature: hypertension notifications. Whether you're training for a marathon or swimming laps, Apple Watch Series 11 serves up endless ways to work out. And it uses helpful metrics to count every move so you know how to push harder and train smarter. Now, in addition to detailed insights, Apple Watch Series 11 provides personalized fitness encouragement. With Apple Intelligence from your nearby iPhone, Workout Buddy gives you audible motivation in real time. With a cellular plan, you can call, text, pay, stream music, and more, even when your iPhone isn't nearby. And now, Series 11 supports speedy 5G. Packed with innovative safety firsts, Apple Watch Series 11 has your back. It's designed to summon help when you need it most, even if you can't reach your iPhone. Get big-time battery life with up to 24 hours of normal use on a full charge, and up to 8 hours with just 15 minutes of charging. Apple Watch Series 11 is rated WR50M and IP6X, perfect in the pool or ocean, down to 6 meters and fully protected against dust. Specifications. How to charge. Place the Apple Watch Series 11 on its magnetic charging cable or puck, ensuring the back is aligned correctly, and connect the charger to a power source. Charging will start automatically when the green lightning icon appears on the screen. How to pair. Download the Apple Watch app from the App Store and install it on your iPhone. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled on your phone. Locate the side button on your Apple Watch Series 11. Then press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Wait a few moments for the watch to complete startup before continuing with setup. Open the Apple Watch app on your iPhone and tap Start Pairing. When the Apple Watch Series 11 appears, follow the on-screen instructions to confirm pairing. Agree to the required terms, then wait while the watch syncs and completes the setup process. After pairing, choose your wrist preference and button orientation in the Apple Watch app. Review and customize features like activity tracking, sleep monitoring, heart rate settings, and safety options. You can adjust additional settings later in the app. Safety precautions. Avoid extreme temperatures. Use only approved chargers. Keep it dry. Clean gently. Wear comfortably. Update regularly. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Apple Watch Series 11. See you in the next one.